Welcome, kids, to the Candy Carnival Adventure, a magical world filled with sweet treats and fun surprises. Children venture into a forest made entirely of giant lollipops. They encounter candy creatures and dance with joy. In the lollipop forest, where the trees are tall and sweet, our friends meet delightful candy critters who love to dance and play.
They arrive at a patch filled with candy pumpkins of all sizes. They have a pumpkin carving contest and enjoy the sweet treats. Next stop, the Candy Pumpkin Patch. Our adventurers carve the most imaginative pumpkin creations and indulge in pumpkin-flavored delights. They stumble upon a bubbling soda spring where colorful fizzy drinks flow freely. They have a fizzy drink tasting party. Quench your thirst at the soda springs. Here, streams of fizzy soda flow in every flavor imaginable. Our friends sip and savor the bubbly delights. They enter a grand palace made of popcorn. They enjoy a popcorn feast and watch a popcorn-themed puppet show. Behold the Popcorn Palace. Walls of fluffy popcorn stretch high above as our adventurers feast on buttery goodness and enjoy a whimsical puppet show. They reach a bustling town square filled with sandwich shops. They build their own sandwiches and have a sandwich stacking competition. Welcome to the Sandwich Square! Build your own towering sandwiches and join the friendly competition to see who can stack the tallest, tastiest creation. They arrive at a cheerful donut shop. They decorate donuts and have a donut eating contest. Indulge in the donut delight. Decorate your own sweet treats and test your limits in a delicious donut eating contest. They find themselves in a lively carnival filled with cupcake-themed rides and games. They go on rides and win cupcakes as prizes. Step right up to the Cupcake Carnival. Enjoy thrilling rides and win delectable cupcakes as prizes in this whimsical wonderland. They wander into a vibrant town filled with taco stands. They try different tacos and dance to festive music. Our adventure concludes in Taco Town. Sample a variety of savory tacos and dance to the festive tunes of this lively fiesta. Farewell to Candy Carnival. They bid farewell to the Candy Carnival adventure, filled with memories of sweet treats and joyful moments. As our journey comes to an end, we say farewell to the Candy Carnival adventure. Until next time, may your days be filled with sweetness and delight. So this is for now. Meet you next video. Keep watching, like, share, and subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoons.